welcome back to part 2 of the pit bike build. In today's episode, the pit bike is going to go from looking like this to this. So with that out of the way, let's get straight into it.
So I started from nothing. I got money on my mind and I know that it's coming. I know people switch sides, so I can't do the loving. When you down, they won't ride, everybody just bluffing. Now they hitting on my line cause they see how I'm coming. And I'm finally doing fine, I've been counting these hundreds. And my baby gon' ride, she is not with the front. So I put in overtime, but look what I'm becoming. You can look me in my eyes, don't believe all the
Yeah, I'm struggling to clean up the rest of these forks. The plastic has been melted onto the stanchions from when it was on fire, which is super hard to get off because I don't want to scratch it up so that the seals get ruined. The forks slide down, as well as I started cleaning all this up. Hopefully I can just polish up all the aluminium on that and leave it. Turns out the bash plate has actually been snapped, I didn't notice that. Okay, so now I've sanded down the frame and the subframe, so I'll go and get the subframe and then I'll start painting them.
No time for no bullshit, no time for a bitch. If you keep it real, best believe I never switch on you. All the money in the world, I won't switch on you. I could get you all the pearls, diamonds glitz on you. If I got the whole world, I'd be missing you. I could drip you on our money and Da Vinci too. Got the labels always
okay. So it's been a couple of hours now and I've got the second coat on both parts of the frame and reattached the two parts of the frame together, as well as I've painted up the foot brake. That's only got one coat on it, so I'll have to recoat it again soon. So now I'm going to start getting things painted and hopefully put back together on the bike. And I might try and order some new parts tomorrow, like I might order some new headset bearings and a new wiring harness.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking up
okay, so I have the little chain guard on the end of the swing arm there, as well as the chain guide on the back. I've been also cleaning up the motor here. Problem is, I'm not quite sure that it actually has enough compression now. I put some running oil in it, just some 15W40 stuff, the same stuff that I actually used in the car here, but I'm not sure what to do with the engine now. I might have just wasted a bunch of time. I'm either going to try and rebuild the top end on this motor and replace all the electrical stuff in it, or I'll try and fix the quad bike motor, or I'll take the motor that's running out of the postie bike and put that in this, because I really want a pit bike. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to go down below, leave a like and subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned for part 3. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.